Thanks for joining us for our demonstration video of the comp search tool. There's a few different ways to get into this. One is through the valuation tool. The other one is through the actual add comp search. So we click add comp search. We will see our NACIS code tree on the left hand side. And then we're going to see our box over here that shows us all the summary statistics on the right hand side, and then our filters to the bottom right. So for instance, if I want to do a comp search for CPA firms, I know that they're going to be in the 5400 block of the NACIS code, so I can do a couple different things. I can just use the tree and look for offices of certified public accountants. There's 432 comps. So let's go ahead and click this box, and right away you're going to see all the comps pop into the box here to the top right. 432 comps, average sales price of 463,000, and then it's going to show you the mean, or in this case the median, cash flow, and then the multiples of revenue, seller's discretionary earnings, and EBITDA. And then to the very right, the coefficient of variance. One cool thing about this, we're able to filter these by keyword. I won't necessarily do it for CPA firms, but if you were doing a franchise, or let's say a specific franchise for a restaurant, you would put in the NACIS code for the restaurant, and then you would put in a keyword of Subway or Quiznos or pizza, and then filter it, and you're able to filter all the franchises for quick service restaurants or full service restaurants. In this case, I'll filter, let's go ahead and filter based on state. So if I use the drop down box and I go to Florida, now I hit apply filter, our 432 comps have been drilled down to 49 comps. So we're able to now look at 49 comps in the state of Florida with the NACIS code for CPA firms. We can go one step further and add in a filter based on revenue. So in this case, let's say if we wanted to do revenue of at least $500,000 to a max of 5 million, we would apply this filter, and now we have 23 comps that pop up. The next step is to filter even further. We hit view detail, and now our comps are displayed via a box that most of you probably know through working with other databases. In this case, it's going to show us our min and max, our mean and median, coefficient of variation. And then also we are able to mouse over each transaction, and it'll give us a little bit more information about that firm that was sold. In this particular case, you can also uncheck all the boxes and then click on each one. And as you click on each box and each transaction, in real time, the comps change. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a few of them on here, and we can add and deduct. We can save the search at this point. We can export to Excel. We can go back and look at additional comps or filter it even further. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and save the search. I'm going to name it CPA Florida, hit OK, and it's going to take us back to our dashboard, and now you're going to see the last comp search is CPA Florida. We can do a few things from here. We can edit that, we can delete it. If we wanted to click comp report, it would actually open up a separate transaction PDF here for us and show us the exact amount of comps, and from there you can save it to your work file, print it, or send it. So we're back to the dashboard, and again from here we can go back and edit, and then it takes us back to the original PeerComps editing platform. From this area, we can remove the filters. So let's go ahead and remove Florida. Let's go ahead and remove the minimum and the maximum, and then apply the filter. And we're back to 432 comps. Next step, and now we have again the 432 comps on multiple pages. From this page, we can again go ahead and save the search, CPA all, okay, and then again we're back to our CPA. The last comp search on here is CPA all. We've edited that. If you wanted to, you could do multiple CPA searches, name them different things, and then at that point, instead of editing, you're going to create a new comp search. So that is our comp database in a nutshell.